Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 6th, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. Wow, gold has been on a big rampage. I mean, it is very, very obvious that we are in a wave three. Yesterday, we were at the 261 Fibonacci extension of wave one, projected out to wave two. And what happened? We made another higher low, another higher low. Now we're at the 278 Fibonacci extension. Do we know if it's going to stop here? I mean, really, we're in all-time highs right now, but that really doesn't really actually mean a whole lot. I think that this could even just keep on going until I get a breaker structure to the upside. I always trade with the trend. So what am I doing? I am definitely looking for longs in an uptrend, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I mean, it's very clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably a little clearer on the 30-minute time frame, but definitely 5 waves up right there. So you would expect to see at least some sort of a pullback, maybe something like these previous ones. So, I mean, it does seem pretty likely that it would go down to at least one of these Fibonacci levels. And if for whatever reason it does go down and break structure, that definitely would turn me into a seller. But until that happens, I am definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. There is nothing telling us that this wave three is over. And if this really is a wave three of wave three on the much longer time frames, like I suspected it is, it could possibly just keep on going for now. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.